Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Hero HF Deluxe, one of the most popular commuter motorcycles known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordable maintenance. Design and styling. The Hero HF Deluxe features a simple yet attractive design. With stylish graphics, a comfortable seat, and practical bodywork, it is designed for daily commuting and easy handling in city traffic. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers smooth and efficient performance. It provides enough power for everyday rides while maintaining excellent fuel economy, making it a budget-friendly choice. Comfort and ride quality. Hero HF Deluxe offers a comfortable riding position and a well-cushioned seat. Its suspension setup handles rough roads effectively, ensuring a pleasant riding experience for both rider and passenger. Mileage and features. One of the biggest strengths of the HF Deluxe is its impressive mileage. The bike also comes with features like i3S technology in selected variants, helping save fuel during traffic stops. Conclusion. The Hero HF Deluxe is a dependable commuter motorcycle that combines affordability, comfort, and excellent fuel efficiency. It's an ideal choice for riders looking for a practical and economical daily use bike. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates.